Okay, so for this video, I wanted to go through this example in the 12.1, 12.2 notes. We have the fuel efficiency numbers in miles per gallon for a sample of 20 cars. So the first question, part A, that tells us to create a grouped frequency distribution with the lower class limit being 12 and a class width of 4, and then to give the relative frequencies. So what that means is we're going to make a table, and we're going to group things with a lower class limit of 12. So we're going to start at 12 and a class width of 4. So go to 12, count out 4. So 12, 13, 14, 15. That would be your first 4. That is your grouped frequency for the first one. And then you'll start at 16 and do the same thing. So 16, 17, 18, 19. You'll notice that these they start with multiples of 4. So just if that's a easier way to think about it, maybe is that each one will start at a multiple of 4, so the one previous will end at right before that. And then what you're going to do basically after you have that all set up is go and count how many entries fit into your group. So for the first one, we're looking at 12 to 15, so we have 1, 2, 3. For the next one, we're looking at 16 to 19, so we just have these 2. Then from 20 to 23, we just have 20 by itself. Then from 24 to 27, you have 4. 28 to 31, you've got those 3. Then for 32 to 35, we're looking at 32, 33, 33, and 35, so all 4 of those. And then 36 to 39, we have just 37 that fits in there. And then 40 to 43, so we're looking at just 40 and 42. We have 2. The relative frequency, there are 20 cars there, so this would be 3 out of 20. This is 2 out of 20. This is 1 out of 20. This is 4 out of 20. You can give decimals or fractions, it doesn't matter. So all together, those should add up to 20. 3 and 2 is 5. We got 5, 6, 10, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. So we put everything in the group where it belongs. Well, hopefully. We've got all of them accounted for anyway. The next part B, is to draw a histogram. So this is our bar graph for the grouped frequency distribution. So from 12 to 15, that's going to be right here, the bar that goes between 12 and 16 will have 3. So we're going to draw a bar that goes up to 3. And then for 16 to 19, we have 2. So you're going to go up to 2 and over. 20 to 23, you've got just 1. 24 to 27, you have 4. So we're going to go all the way up to 4 here. 28 to 31, we have 3. 32 to 35, we have 4 again. Then 36 to 39, there's just 1. And 40 to 44, 40 to 43, there are 2. Okay, sorry for all the noise in my home. Okay, and then for the frequency polygon, what you're going to do is a very similar thing, but put the, that's my dog clomping down the steps, sorry. So what you're going to do is put the dot on the, like in the middle on the, sorry, I don't know how to do this without actually, I don't know how to explain it without doing it. So from 12 to 16, we're at 3, so go between 12 and 16 and up to 3 and put your dot there. Between 16 and 20, that's your next set, go in the middle of that and put your dot where it goes, so the height's 2. Man. 20 to 23, you should just have 1. And then 24 to 28, you have 4, so go between them and all the way up to 4. And then the next one's down to 3. The next one's back up at 4. The next one is at 1. And then this would be easier if there were lines. The next one is at 2. So what what you can do is make those next ones that are 0 all the way on the x-axis so you get this polygon shape. Sorry. Oh boy. So here is the frequency polygon for that distribution. So hopefully you can take that with the one we did in class or the video from the one we did in class and repeat that. And let me know if you need any help.